Welcome to homeschooling. Here we are again for another new topic. Our topic for today is all about multiplying numbers by using your hands. So before we start, we have to assign numbers into our fingers. So the bottom one here is the number 6, and the second we have the number 7, and in the third we have number 8, and then the fourth we have number 9, and last but not least we have number 10 at the top here. And then for us to start in multiplying by using only our fingers, let's have an example first. So let's say we have 7 times 7. We have to put them close together so that we could create an association that those are the number that we are going to multiply. And then we have to count the remaining lower part, including the number itself, the assigned fingers. We have to count on them as number 10. So let's say 7 times 7, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we have now a 40. So we have, and again, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we have to multiply also the remaining fingers with assigned numbers depending on the number of fingers on the upper part. So on my right side, this one, we have the remaining 3 upper fingers. So we have this one, and this one, 3. And also to my right, we also have the 3 fingers remaining. We have this one, and this one. So we have to multiply them together also. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And after that, we are going to add 40 plus 9 equals 49. Therefore, 7 times 7 equals 49. Did you get it right? It's easy, it's simple. We have another example. Let's say we're going to multiply 9 times 9. There you have it, 9 times 9. And then again we'll count each of these fingers to their bottom part, equivalent of 10 numbers. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So therefore 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we have to multiply the remaining upper part, which is 1 here and also 1 here to my right. And then 1 times 1, we have 1. And then we have to add the total result for all those that we have previously multiplied. And then we have 1 times 1 equals 1, and then on the total all of here is 80. So therefore 80 plus 1, we have 81, right? 9 times 9 equals 81. Easy, right? And then another example, we have 9. And another example we have is that 8 times 9. Therefore we have to count again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then we have to multiply the remaining number of fingers on the upper part. And then we have 2 here and then 1. 2 times 1, we have 2. And we have to add them. 70 plus 2, we have 72. Therefore 8 times 9 equals 72. And there's this rules in multiplying using your hands. First is that count first by 10 each finger, the remaining lower part of the number, the assigned finger number being multiplied. Number 2, multiply the remaining upper part based on the numbers of fingers left, not their assigned number or value. And last but not the least, we have add and combine the two results to get the product or the answer.